Respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Confess the fault when you are wrong. Because one day in life you will be old, weak, and wrong. Remember, life is a cycle, and the kindness you show today will come back to you in unexpected ways. Treat others with the compassion and understanding you hope to receive. Every act of respect, help, and humility strengthens the bonds that hold us together. Cherish and honor the wisdom of those who came before you, support those who need it now, and always strive to be better. For in the end, it is our humanity and grace that define us.
I'm